Hello, and welcome to another update video about Solana. Yeah, Solana broke out of this trend line that we talked about here, this red trend line. Discussed it only in yesterday's video with you, but there isn't really much upside momentum. I mean, the weekend was boring, right? Okay, it's already Tuesday, but in the US there was a holiday, so the stock market didn't move at all. Okay, the futures markets were running, but they didn't really move much. So overall, yeah, pretty much today we should start to get some volatility, I think. Important is now just to watch if the bulls turn up before this support area breaks and the support area ends at $119.59. Below that level, the bulls will, let's say, start to, I don't want to say they have control because it's, for me, this is a sideways range. There was an initial bounce after the 5th of August low. Most altcoins look extremely weak. Solana has a chance, but it's already quite deep in support, and the bulls should really turn up now to start a third wave rally. Now, it is important, I think, in the current environment to watch for initial signals that really a low has formed in yellow wave 2. So this is a potential I show you right now. So we have a wave 1 to the upside, right? And this wave 2 as a flat correction. And this wave 2 might have completed when the price hit that golden ratio level. I mean, we had a noticeable bounce from that level, from that 61.8 retracement there at $127.83. But was the bounce in any way convincing, or has it been convincing at all? You know, not to me. I've looked at the microstructure today now that we have some data, and it's not a 5-wave move. Okay, so if we zoom in a little bit, go to the 30-minute chart maybe. We zoom in a little bit. This is a crystal clear ABC structure to the upside. So it's a corrective bounce. I've labeled here a 5-wave move, but just to show how what the pattern needs to give us to really confirm that a low has formed in wave 2. I need those 5 waves. Yeah, this here is not a 5-wave move to the upside. No, we have 3 waves up, a pullback, and another rally. That's a 3-wave move. What I highlighted earlier today for our gold members was that the rally from the low appears to be corrective. This means we have to expect further downside unless the price can complete all 5 waves to the upside in a diagonal pattern. So this would only be possible here as a diagonal. That means we have to expect further downside until those 5 waves have formed. When the 5 waves have formed, we have a first confirmation that a larger low has formed here on the 2nd of September, right, on Monday. So it would only be possible here as a diagonal pattern. It's not an impulse. There are no 5 waves, and therefore this is highly questionable. It could easily be another low. So I can easily label this as an A, B, C structure in white. And therefore, let me just increase the wave degree here. And therefore the yellow wave count is just a roadmap that gives us an understanding of how 5 waves to the upside would look like. And without a 5-wave move up, followed by a 3-wave corrective pullback, which would then form a higher low, there is no substantial low confirmed. So I need to see these patterns complete, then a 3-wave corrective pullback to form a higher low. That at the same time might be a pullback trade setup, and then we can talk about further upside. For now, I don't think there's anything actionable here. There might have been for those who traded the trendline breakout, and indeed it would have been a successful intraday trade maybe, but nothing substantial. We're still above the level where the breakout happened. But yeah, it just shows weakness, and it is a complete ABC structure, so it might easily have topped already and we might get another low. If there is another low, I already mentioned it, the $119.59 level would be next support. Below that level, here the area around the August low is going to be next support around $109, $110. But that would not really be bullish anymore. Yeah, the price could still turn around before really formally invalidating the 1-2 setup. But yeah, at the moment it's just, I think the market is sort of sleeping. Market is asleep. They're waiting for Bitcoin to make a move. Bitcoin hasn't fully decided yet, but if you watch my Bitcoin videos, then you know there is a bearish setup I'm tracking. So it's all not clearly bullish. There are a few altcoins that have provided a 1-2 setup. Solana is one of them. Sui might be the next one, or is another one as well. There are not many, and therefore, yeah, just be ready for potentially further downside. But if the bulls turn up, they should do it from here, obviously. So it's worth watching for it. And if we get the first 5 waves up in the yellow microstructure, that would be something noteworthy. That's the update about Solana. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment, and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Also, make sure that you follow us on Instagram and Twitter for additional content. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.